Welcome to our channel. Today we will be teaching you how to make this origami strawberry. For this project, all you will need is one square 6-inch piece of origami. You can also color this green with the marker. Want to build it? Let's get started.
Start color side up and fold in half like this. Increase. Open it up and fold it down this way. And then you're going to open it back up and turn it this way. And this is going to pop out, so you're just going to push it down. And you're going to turn it into this. So this is what I would like to do. I like to push it down one at a time here. And then I would just crease this right here. And then I would just push it down right here, like this, and push this down right here. And then I'm just going to push it down like this. So it's like this now. And now you're just going to fold this up right here, like right here. And do the same thing right here, like this. Turn it around and do the same thing. Make sure it's lined correctly. And then you're just going to open this up. And you're going to push this in on that crease you made. And stick it in, crease and fold. Do the same thing with the other side. Like this. Open it up, stick this in, right, crease, open it up and stick it in, right here, crease, turn it around and do these sides. Like this. And now you're just gonna fold this up and crease like this. Fold this up right here and fold this up. And now you're just gonna take this and pinch it and push it down to right here. The same thing with the other one, pinch it and push it. And then you can just color it right here. Just color it right here and put dots like this. Now it should look like this. And you're done.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn notifications every time we release videos, and we'll see y'all next time.